Hello viewers, how is the weather in your city? Well, in my city it's very hot. It's extremely hot, I should say. So at this point, we feel like having some chill dessert or having some ice cold water or something that could cool you down. So I love to cook and bake, but I think this is not the right time to bake as it is so hot. I had been for little shopping and got some strawberries, a mango, some Greek yogurt, white chocolate, and brown chocolate, which is my all-time favorite. Would love to eat them anytime. At home I have some blueberries and some more fruits like banana, orange, apple. So shall we make a custard? No, something different. A chill dessert would be a perfect one for this hot summer on my channel Recipes, Nature and Vlogs. Here are my favorite summer fruits, but I would like to use only 2 fruits today for my chill dessert, and I would go with a strawberry and a mango. So let's start. First, we give a quick wash to our strawberries, and here are some handful of strawberries which I have chopped them into small pieces. And the mango, again I have chopped them into small pieces. I have taken half a mango here. In a bowl, I will combine all the ingredients like chopped strawberries, adding chopped mangoes, and some Greek yogurt. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can use hand curd. We just need a thick curd and not a runny curd. So look at here, the Greek yogurt is always thick, so I've used it over here. And for little flavoring, I've added vanilla essence, which is just 1 teaspoon. It is optional, you can avoid this. At the same time, I have not added any sweetener in this, as it will make the yogurt runny, but I have added a small amount of brown sugar, which should not make yogurt watery. So I give a good mix. So you mix everything well, and if you feel that the yogurt is less, you can add more yogurt. So here after mixing, I see yogurt is little less, so I add more Greek yogurt. What do you like during summer? Do you like an ice cream, or would you like to go with the cool smoothies? But here is my chill dessert, which I am trying for the first time. And here I have taken a baking tray, and these are my leftover baking paper, so I am using them and not wasting it. And we'll put a spoonful of the mixed curd and fruit mixture and put it on the baking paper in small amounts. Don't use a glass tray because it might crack. It's going to go in the freezer. So here's my baking tray ready, but of course I'm not going to bake it. Instead we are going to chill it in the freezer for almost like 1.5 hours, or you can give a check when it's ready to be taken out. So now this is our second preparation. Here in a pan I am taking some hot water and keeping a bowl on top of it, and we are trying to make chocolate sauce over here. Fruits with chocolate taste really delicious, as we all love them. So here is my chocolate which I chopped. And here's, after some time, you can see the chocolate has started to melt. But if the chocolate does not melt, so please put it on a gas and on low slim, and keep on mixing like this. I have added 1 teaspoon of butter as well, and 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder to give a lovely texture and color. As you can see, our chocolate sauce is ready. It should not be very thick nor very runny, just the perfect consistency. Now from the freezer, I have removed these frozen fruity yogurts, and it's frozen completely, so you can remove them all in a tray and let it be in the same cooling tray. I give them all a dip in this lovely chocolate sauce, and I coat them well, and again I put it on the chill tray so that the chocolate doesn't become runny. So here's my tray ready again to go into the freezer for another 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can see it's so easy to remove them from the baking paper, and here's my plate where I am putting all my chilled desserts, giving it a final touch so that it looks even more delicious with this white chocolate sauce. And now our dessert is ready. I would like to call it chilled dessert fruity yogurt bites. So before you eat them, just leave them out for 10 minutes so that you don't freeze your teeth. Now here's how it looks when I cut them into half. So you can use a spoon or just use your hands, which will be chocolatey, but everyone loves to lick chocolate. Enjoy the chill dessert. Have a lovely summer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Recipes Nature.